Quick, quick. Can you see the little hares? Little red hares, can you see his ears there? They're everywhere here at Waterville. They keep darting out of the rough. Apparently, unlike rabbits, they like the open space, so they're very brave. It really does make it a wonderful experience. Okay, fit 2 of my good ones, and I've still got, what, about 140 to the flag. Beautiful green, heading into the mountains here, and the clubhouse to my left. Got to deliver in front of the clubhouse, haven't you? Let's give this a go. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. I'm on the dance floor.